What I was talking about.
Man,
And you knew what I meant last night when I said.
300-year-old tree.
You knew what I meant last night when I was talking about night signs from that region. They're good.
Wow, look at all these trees. See, that's really cool. Oh, I might want to drink my beer before I go down this.
River is the trees along this river,
Oh, yeah.
cypress.
But I'm not gonna long that view, the whole. There was not a ugly view that whole trip going down the driveway. That was a really good view. I liked all the trips.
Yeah, PKA is pretty nice.
Evidently we got the rock coming. It's on the bottom of the bed.
Yeah, so I'm getting another.
Oh, shit.
I drank mine really quickly so I could get through this. We got some rapids. Oh crap. Oh! There's a couple of bumps.
Yeah, a little bump right there, huh?
A couple of them. Oh shit. There we go. Left or right? Oh shit. Sweet.
He made it!
That was awesome.
Hit that rock, you almost got me.
That was beautiful.
Oh, Johnny got me through the hole.
Oh look, there's a rock. I think everyone's here. We were the last. Yes.
Oh, we got another little one.
Go right. Hello, Mom.
Hi, Dan. Did you get the message that those 3 boxes were delivered?
No.
Do you know what they are?
Are they big boxes?
Yeah, 3.
3 big ones?
Uh-huh.
Those are probably marble.
Well, no, I don't think so. The guy lifted them real easy. It seemed like. Anyway, I told Dana she wasn't home, and I just asked her if she would put them on the back porch, because if I leave right now, I won't be able to be there for 3 hours.
Right. Well, or we could call James Smith.
Who?
James
James?
Smith.
Oh. Oh, I hate to. Do you think he would?
I'm sure he said he would. He said he would do it.
All right, I'll see if I have his number.
Okay.
I hope they're still there. They were delivered over an hour ago, but I didn't know it.
Okay.
Well, I'll call James.
Okay, well, I told them they had to be delivered on Monday. I guess they didn't listen.
Well, you need to start having them delivered someplace else.
No, I can't.
You can have them delivered to Home Depot. They'll lock them up in those lockers.
I'm not paying a monthly fee for that.
Okay. Well, I'll call James.
Okay, I really appreciate it. I'm on the Guadalupe River, so I'm amazed that I was even able to talk to you.
How many people are in your group?
17.
Oh, that's a nice group.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
great.
I'll let you go.
Okay, Mom. Love you.
All right.
And thank you.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Then it
Bye-bye.
says Cozumel below it. So.
Hey! Like laying inside that little...